Show you our Bahay kubo that we made. It's close to Jill's, Jack and Jill's place. So when they have a baby, we can watch over them even at night. Here it is, guys. Hi guys, magandang umaga. Watching show. So we have more plants to bring to the farm, guys. So this is from my mama's place. So we dropped them off last night in the staff that was working at the farm. So we got here late. So we just stepped here and we're going back to the farm. But before we go back, we're going to bring a bunch of plants. Yung mga pangtanim from my mama. She always likes to save the seeds and she likes growing them. This one. Ano yan, mama? She has a lemon. She said it's orange. But this guys, look. So she has all these seedling. She will just grow them here at the house. And she'll give it to me to plant. She said those are oranges. I don't know. Ito pa po. Siyang dami. Ito pa, there's more underneath. Yeah. So she would just grow them here. Here, there's more bunch. Babe, yung lansones daw. So lansones da. Lansones da, sabi ni mama. Ano? Saan mo na tinanom? So, she's the queen of seeds, guys. And we also brought a bunch of banana from the farm that they harvested yesterday and they harvested the day before. Yeah. Some bananas here. And this one they harvested a few days ago from the farm. Señorita. This is called Señorita, guys. Ano nga dadi at ating green? This one's lakatan? Okay.
Bunguran.
Bunguran. This is called bunguran. The green bananas. So she has a bunch. We're gonna sell it here in Humlak. See? So there are the bananas. And there's more in the kitchen, guys. So marami kaming saging sa farm. My mom planted those. So we have more bananas here in the kitchen. Look. There's one here. Ito pa. And there's more. Bunguran here. That's more. That's the bananas from the farm, guys. I think those are one of the, what do you call that? The plants that we don't have to take care of so much. And while they were there a few days ago, yesterday, I've also planted more bananas at the farm. So yung mga sprouted bananas, I put them to, I've asked him to plant more around the farm so we can harvest more. It's good money, guys. It's not bad. Are you helping? Watch your finger. Someone's gonna have some banana. We're gonna sell those, baby.
It's very strong.
It's very strong. Wow, is that your favorite?
This one.
This one? Okay, go eat it.
Banana.
And this one, guys, ano to? This is for my mom's farm. So this one's been soaked in water and they're just letting it sprout to plant again. So it's here. Hey mister, don't play with that, okay? And there's more on the other side. Hi guys, good morning. Magandang umaga. It's very good morning, guys. It's so nice. It's I think it's 6 o'clock now. But look at the view. So these are my sitaw, which we're going to pick today, this morning. And look, you can see the Mount Isarog today, all clear. So peaceful here, guys. Anyways, we have to pick our sitaw today. So we already did the first harvest a few days ago. I think I better start in the first row before I forget. So my long beans, guys, we're gonna pick some, and there's some spots that were missing some plants. So the other day while it was raining, I planted more in between. Anyways, this is our second harvest of our sitaw, guys. So let's see how much we can get. There's so much of them, and some are just on the ground. So it's gotta be careful. Be sure I don't hit this tip. Sorry, it doesn't focus the camera. There's the first two. We have to make sure that we look at this side and the other side, so we don't miss anything. And the bahay kubo, guys, is complete. I'll show it to you later on. It is curly. This one is still a bit small, so I'll leave this one. See, some are hidden. This one is good. I think sitaw, guys. So let's go keep picking. I'm done with the harvest, guys, and this is what I got on our second harvest. So my plan is to harvest every 4 days of my sitaw. So this afternoon, my husband will have to spray it kasi marami siyang langgam, lots of ants, so he has to spray it. And then this afternoon, and then 4 days later, I will pick some more. But this is what I got, guys. My second harvest of sitaw. Not bad, right? This is triple than what we got 4 days ago. Not bad. So let's go pick some sili, guys. Some siling labuyo. So some of my sili are okay, but most of them died. I killed it, right? So we just pick some sili because there's some that are already red. Not much, but let's pick it anyways. So let's bring our sitaw. So some are red, guys. We can pick this one, and I'm gonna start sun drying them. Here it is, guys. Cute, diba? This is the bahay kubo. Here we have sitting area. Look at the roof. The gentleman finished this in 4 days in total. Okay, 5 days. First there was only 2 gentlemen, 2 of them working for 2 days, and then they came back 2 days later, and 4 of them finished the job within 3 days. So 5 days altogether. So here it is, guys. Ito yung ating bahay kubo, and that's Jill's place, so close. Here we have a sitting area over here, and this is our sili. Sitting area all the way down, and this one we just put a wall here because sometimes when it rains, the water comes in. We still have a ladder here. They're still fixing something, and we have a little room. Let's take a look. Here my husband's on working on the electricity, so there's electricity here now, guys. And this is the storage area where we put the food for the pig and the chickens. And this is also my husband's house, my husband's new place. He's moving in here, he said, away from me. But yeah, this is bahay kubo, guys. This is a very typical hut here in the Philippines. Bahay kubo. You see a lot of this mostly everywhere as their main house. It's nice. Ano siya, hindi siya mainit. Except right now because I'm all bundled up. It was cold this morning. And we already planted yung mga binigay ni mamang halaman. Yung mga parang lemon or orange ata yun. I'm not sure. My mom forgets what she planted, but she still gives it to me. She said, plant this at your farm. But yeah, we planted them here. The one that my mom gave us. There's more to plant. And I took some flower from my mama's place. So cute, right? To put on our bahay kubo. So anyways, this is the plant she gave us. We already planted some here along, and more here, all the way down. So we have to plant more later today. And these are my silly guys, so some are okay, and there's some bed here that are empty. We're gonna put some more veggies, and there's more bed here that are 1, 2, 3 that are empty. See what we can plant. And this is gonna be the walkway. My husband found some grass on the road. I think it fell from a truck or something. So we're gonna plant more. Here's the seeds, guys, of the kangkong. I'm gonna plant that here on this bed. This time we put chicken dung, because the last time the sili we didn't put chicken dung underneath, it did not thrive. So this time we will. And we also planted some pichay over there, seedling from seeds. So let's get planting with this kangkong, upland kangkong. I'm just gonna put one seeds at a time. It's like the seed is, it looks like a size of okra. Look, this, guys. Here we planted okra here in this side, and we're gonna do same here on both rows. So okra here, okra there on the walkway, and we'll plant more here. We'll see. But yeah, guys, it's mainit na. It's time for us to get some breakfast. I think it's 8 o'clock or 8:30 now in the morning, but I've done a lot in 2 hours. Picked the sitaw, planted some upland kangkong, also planted some okra. This for the piggies, eggplant, and this is what we harvested. Our harvest for today, guys, and later we'll harvest again 4 days. And my sunflowers are growing, guys. Look, my sunflower are doing well. Let's go back inside the house, guys. You don't wanna have a drink, Gigi? We will have a little swim. Gigi! You wanna help mommy? Kuha tayo, guys, ng tubig for the plants. Baby's already sleeping, so we have to get some water for the plants. Let's water some plants, guys. So I planted more ano tawag dito? Papaya behind the kubo. Here. Ayan yung kubo, guys. So I planted papaya here along in this row. I think 4 rows. So let's water them. trabaho sa ano guys, trabaho dito sa bukid. Pag nagtanim kailangan lagyan ng tubig. This one is drying out. I think I can put a sari-sari store here now. I think people will buy from me. Yeah guys, look at this. You can put a sari-sari store. G edition sari-sari store. No customer. No one's ever gonna buy from me. No one's ever here. Husband is burning the waste. Yung mga ano ng kahoy. He already watered this one, the grass, and I'm gonna water the one we planted yesterday, yung parang mga from my mama. Make sure we water them because it's been hot. And let me just check on my little man. Sleep with the guard dog. Why do you have leaves on your... May dahon ka. Is that your design? Okay, we'll leave that on. That's lake. That's kabang. And Ag is always where the action is at. Chismoso yan eh. Anyways guys, that's our day today. Just harvesting, planting, whatever we can do at the farm. So tomorrow again, tomorrow is Sunday, so it's our break day. Probably stay inside the house, feed the animals and water the plant tomorrow, and just probably chill, watch a movie or something. Baby's still sleeping. He likes the kubo. Mahangin na. It's breezy now. And Aggie is tired. We've been running around. Want some bread? Okay, time to rest, okay? Look at you, you're messy. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching. Be safe. See you in the next vlog. Husband's still working. Bye guys. Look at this day guys, so nice. The view is peaceful. The sky is blue.